is histology and how do I make a career out of it?
Oh, I'm so glad you asked that. Histology is the study of tissues. And how to make it a career, there's so many different ways. You can, number one, be a pathologist that reads the slides that the histology techs make. You can be a histology tech and make the slides and run immunotests. Or you can be a lab aide that runs and organizes and keeps the lab running.
Okay, that sounds really interesting. Can you tell me more about being a histology tech?
Absolutely. There's so many different ways to work as a histology tech. You can work in a traditional histology lab. You can work as a frozen histotech. You can work in dermatology offices. You can work with pharmaceutical companies to develop different medicines. There's many different ways. I particularly work in a histology lab. In a histology lab, traditionally we embed specimens and pieces of cut tissue into wax blocks and cut them and adhere them to slides for the pathologist to read. And then after that, if they're positive, they're often sent to our immunohistology for the histology techs to run more extensive testing to find treatments and types of cancer.
Oh, that sounds great. But what type of education do you need for this?
Well, this actually varies among states. You can either work as an uncertified tech or certified tech, depending on the state you live in. To become a certified tech, that can be done one of two ways. You can go through a histology program, to your histology program, and certify that way. Or you can, if you already have a bachelor's degree with a science background, train in a lab for 1 year and take the exam. Now, to work as an uncertified tech, you simply train in the lab.
Are you interested in becoming a histotech?